Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to unbox, test and review the S14 16 meters GlobaLink LED outdoor string lights. Hopefully my video will give you the information you need about this product. Inside the box you have the string lights, one extra S14 replacement bulb, cable ties and the instruction manual. Now let's have a look at the string lights. They're 16 meters long and made up of 15 S14 LEDs. Each bulb has a lifespan of over 30,000 hours. Replacing the bulbs is really easy. All you need to do is unscrew the external bulb cover, pull out the faulty bulb, and replace it with the new one. The external bulb cover is made up of PET plastic material, making it shatterproof, so the bulbs won't break easily if they fall. Each bulb consumes 1 watt of power, making them consume 90% less energy than the 12-watt incandescent bulbs, and they have an energy rating of A+++. At one end of the string you have the plug, and at the other end you have the extension connector that allows you to connect up to 25 sets of lights end to end. Now let's power it on. As you can see, the bulbs emit a nice soft warm glow, creating a cozy ambience. A highlight of this string of lights is that the bulbs will still continue to operate even if one or multiple bulbs stop working. As you can see, if I remove one bulb, the remaining lights will still work. The string can be used indoors as well as outdoors, and it's IP65 rated, which means that it's protected against water jets from any angle. Overall, this is a lovely string of bulbs. They're really easy to operate and they can add charm to your house or garden. The light bulbs produce a nice soft warm glow, adding a nice atmosphere to their surroundings. They can be easily extended, enabling them to be used in larger events such as parties and weddings. They can also be a good addition to your Christmas decorations. The cable ties provided will allow you to install them anywhere you want, and their A+++ energy efficiency makes them cost-effective. If you have any questions about this product, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.